So I'm super excited to test all this makeup with you. I was just inspired to try some new makeup and purchase a couple things from Walmart that I haven't tried before.
So if you want to see me go from this to this, then just keep watching.
I just cleansed my face using the Gentle Foaming Cleanser Cetaphil. So since I've already cleansed and I did use my vitamin C serum, I have the Vanna Cream Facial Moisturizer. This is from Walmart as well. Broad spectrum SPF 30. I'm going to let that absorb into the skin before I start my makeup. Okay, now that that's all absorbed into the skin, I'm going to start with the foundation. So the first thing is the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless Hyaluronic Complex and Vitamin C 3-in-1 foundation. So there's some skincare in here. Again, this is my first time trying it. So I put a little bit on the back of my hand. And this is it's a whipped texture. Interesting. Okay. I guess I'm just going to use my fingers because this texture is just different than what I'm used to. I'm used to like more of a liquid texture. This reminds me of, I want to say Maybelline made it back when I was in high school. I used a foundation that was like a whipped consistency. Came in the little round tin. I just can't remember exactly what it was called. But I used to use that in high school. And this gives me the same kind of feel, but it feels different on the skin. It's definitely more like of a moisturizing. I mean, it has the hyaluronic complex, so it makes sense why it would feel really like moisturizing on the skin. It's just an interesting texture. I wasn't sure what to expect. And I could definitely get this in a bit of a deeper shade. This is the 210 Classic Ivory, so yeah, it's pretty light. I have a little bit of a self tan on right now, so it's not exactly matching me right now, but that's okay. I'll use some bronzer. And we'll be good. So we're on to the Maybelline Lifter Full Coverage Serum Concealer. So it's 05 is the shade. A little bit at a time, very thin layer. Okay. Everything is very dewy, very glowy, very shiny. So my normal next step is bronzer. So I did not get a new bronzer. I forgot about that. So I'm going to use the Essence Soft Touch Butter Bronzer. This is how I usually apply the bronzer, just to warm up the face a bit. High up on the cheekbone. But it's just so cool that these days there's so many different lines of makeup that you can get at the drugstore, at Walmart, and they're really nice. We're on to cream blush, so I'm excited to try this out. Soft Glam Cream Blush, Melon Drama, the e.l.f. Cream Blush, really, really pretty. Beautiful color, I love this color. So I'm just gonna go in where I normally put my cream blush. So I usually go up higher on the cheekbone and just pat it in. Really pretty. Very shiny. But I think once like powder everything and it kind of sinks into the skin a little bit, it'll be a little better. Okay. I'm just very, very shiny. I'm not used to being this shiny. Okay, those are really, really pretty color. And you could definitely use this on your lips too. I'm just gonna put some powder on these really, really shiny parts that I don't really enjoy being super shiny. I think that this would be really good for somebody that has extremely dry skin. My skin is more of a combo skin, definitely more on like the oily side. So this is also the serum concealer, so it's a little more shiny as well. But I'll put a little bit more and see if that helps. It's also really, really light. I think if I purchased the foundation and the concealer again, I would like one shade deeper. I don't like to put too much on because it does crease when in my smile lines. But I'm going to just powder it a little bit. I don't typically do that, but this just, I'm not used to being this shiny, so I'm just patting out again the really shiny areas. But I will say that that feels really good on the skin. Like it feels really moisturizing, hydrating. My face just feels really hydrated right now, which is nice. My next step, and now that I've put on the powder, it looks a lot better. Like I feel more comfortable with how everything's looking so far. I will do my highlight like I normally do. Just put a tiny bit on my nose and a tiny bit up here. It's very subtle. It's not like a blinding highlight or anything. It's just very subtle. Really like it. Sometimes I'll put a little bit here. Again, it's very, very subtle. Okay. And I'll do my eyebrows. And this is L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Ultrafine Tip Shaping Pencil in Burnette. This is my very favorite one. It has a very thin tip. And I just go along the bottom here, bring the tail out just a tiny bit. Another drugstore Walmart item that you could get. So I like this, but I think I'm used to like it being a little bit more like a pink peachy look. So I think I'm gonna add and I think that this color complements this color. I like how that brought a little pink to the face. I also like to use it as a little bit of eyeshadow. I got two new lip products, a lipstick, satin lipstick. Own It is the shade. I wanted a red lipstick. I love red lipstick. But I don't think I'm going to use that today. It's just a little bit dark, but I will use it in a future video. But this is the e.l.f. Main Stain Lip Marker. Beige Bait. That's nice. Oh, I love that. Okay. So I'm going to actually put like a little bit of this in the center here. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I'm also, the longer I'm looking at the foundation, it's just, I should have gotten a deeper color. I think this is just a little bit too light for me. It probably would be great in the winter time. It went on really, really well with just my fingers, so I really like that. I'm surprised, and I don't know, this is just a really cool formulation. And so far, I don't know, my skin looks actually really pretty. Like, I like it. Anyways, so I did the e.l.f. lip stain as a liner, a little bit of the cream blush that I used on my cheeks in the middle of my lips. And then I'm just going to use my normal Morphe Hot Honey lip gloss. It's a very thick gloss. You could leave it the way that I have it now, which is more of a matte finish, but I like a little bit of shine on there. It's really pretty. I love it. I'm excited. And I love like this coral color just going through everything is really pretty too. So I think the next thing, I'm probably not going to do any eyeliner today. The lips and the cheeks are giving a lot of emphasis. So I think I'm just going to do mascara. And this is very different from for me because I never really deviate from my tried and true Lash Paradise mascara. This is my favorite. This was highly rated on the Walmart website, and it's Maybelline the Falsy Surreal Mascara. Really cute, like packaging too. I love the color. So let's see how it does. It's giving very good, like, separation. Wow. Okay. This is good. Hmm. It literally does kind of look like false lashes. So pretty. It's actually really, and you can layer this without it getting like super, super, super clumpy. I think they like specifically designed this to like not be clumpy. It's really pretty. This is nice. I really like it, especially for being. It's definitely lengthening too. Wow. I'm shocked because my favorite one. Whoa, this is like, this is making my lashes longer than my favorite one does. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. You got to try new stuff. You have to. I am pleasantly surprised with these eyes. Wow. Okay. The last step, and this is new to me as well, the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist, 36 hours, defy transfer. But I have heard really good things about this. Has a really nice smell too. Oh wow, it says it's waterproof, sweat resistant, clothes resistant. Dang. Okay. So that is the full face of makeup. I will add some natural lighting shots and do a check-in maybe like midday and at the end of the day, just to see how this held up. And I plan on doing a workout this morning, so it could just slide right off my face. But yeah, I just want to kind of test this out, and so far so good. I'm really like enjoying it a lot. I feel like my face looks really moisturized and healthy and plump. Um, and yeah, and I can't believe this mascara. I absolutely can't believe it. I mean, I think it looks really pretty. All right, I'll see you at the check-ins. So this is my makeup after my workout, obviously in my car, daylight. I think it looks really pretty actually, but still looks really glowy and gorgeous. And I'm loving this mascara. I'm like blown away by it. I think I like it better than my tried and true Lash Paradise, which I'm absolutely shocked by. I am pleasantly surprised by these new products. So we're at the end of the day. It's early evening and I'll probably be taking my makeup off pretty soon. So I just wanted to do the last check-in. It held up pretty well. And after a long day of workout, in and out with my toddler, doing water activities out in the backyard and all that, looks decent considering all that. I'm pleasantly surprised with my new find. I hope you enjoyed this Walmart haul and new makeup try on and review. Makeup and skincare are my absolute favorites, so stay tuned for more makeup videos. I can't wait, and I hope to see you in the next one.